breaking news, breaking news. I got my New York hat on, and the Haitians in New York were saying, hell no. ICE, you're not taking us anywhere. So let's see what's going on in New York with the Haitians.
We're going to take the people that fled from the mess that they created and try to ship them back there.
The Haitians are saying no way, they are not going back to that situation. And I'm telling you, ever since Donald Trump had taken away TPS, right, which is the temporary protected status for certain people to work in the U.S., it's like how could you renege on that and take that away from people who have been legally there? So I guess ICE went up into Brooklyn, was it Brooklyn? Flatbush, and tried out to New York, and they tried to take some Haitians. And the Haitians were not having it. The Haitians fought back.
These are not criminals! They did things the right way. They're here legally now.
Right.
Guys, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments.
All right.
If your family are being picked up and taken to a concentration camp, a detention center, fucking whatever you want to call it. We all know what it is. Not everybody's there yet, but
let's go.
So, because America rid us of our resources, and then they forced us into poverty. So now that we come in here to this country, because that's all the options we have, y'all want to force us back and rid us of more resoursos, fam? Nah, bro, some people would rather go ahead and get themselves off rather than sit there and go back to that poverty. That's
right. So let's take it from the top, and we don't know exactly what's going on, but the Haitians ain't having it, and we're gonna listen in right now.
ICE. ICE is in the Haitian community trying to some people, and the Haitians were literally fighting back, pulling ICE off of their people, throwing them to the ground, escorting their people away from them. Anytime ICE would grab somebody, the people would hop on that ICE agent and throw them to the ground. They were literally fighting back.
Haitian people know how to fight. Duh. It's literally in their DNA. You don't know that Haitian people can fight? So that's why I'm not surprised that...
And this honestly makes sense, because what you said is so true. There are people that would rather die fighting to stay here than go back to a country where they're going to do nothing but suffer. And for the people that are gonna, well, why is their country nothing but suffering? Because of America. America destabilized the country, planted corrupt regimes, and then wonder why you have people fleeing the country to come over here looking for freedom. Then they're going to take the people that fled from the mess that they created and try to ship them back there.
so freaking proud of the Haitian community. This is how...
Yo, you saw?
Shut up! Shut up!
No, hold on. You saw the amount of people that came out? Those are all Haitians in up in Flatbush.
You do it. If we all did exactly what they did, we could do this. We got to stand together.
Right.
All I've been saying is fight back. Do not let them get you.
Yo, that's impressive. And all the videos for this stuff has been taken down.
Kick it.
Government doesn't want to see people fighting back.
Breaking news this afternoon. Donald Trump and Homeland Security have eliminated TPS for Haiti.
In case you don't know the TPS program, program designed by Congress, offers temporary protection from deportation and work authorization for people from other countries, right? Let's go. There you go. You can take a look at it. Authorization for people from war-torn countries. All right? All right.
Leaving millions and millions of Haitians with no legal status in this country. This is so inhumane. Trump came on one of his tweets or whatever stating that Haiti has become a much better place. It's a lot safer so that the people could go back to their country. This is absolutely disgusting, unacceptable. You can't just mess with people's lives like that and take away something that they've worked for to come here legally. Your whole thing was you were getting rid of fucking criminals. These are not criminals. They did things the right way. They're here legally now. Guys, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Please spread this for awareness. This is disgusting.
Deported to Haiti today, attacked pilots and immigration officers on another flight after it landed in Port-au-Prince. So the plane carrying single adult men were released from the aircraft to Haitian authorities on the airport tarmac. Then NBC News reports,
Yo, more proof. Don't mess with Haiti.
several of those men
Yo, these Haitians are not playing. In any regime of this business, the Haitians are serious. Big up the Haitians, big up the Jamaicans, all the Caribbeans, all the people actually, because injustice is injustice. These guys came and did things the right way, but yet still they're getting deported. That's not fair. Come on, man.
stormed another
Haitians are always on the right side of history. I don't care
All right.
what nobody's saying. So you telling me that ICE came to Brooklyn, specifically Little Haiti, Flatbush, kote all Haitians you leave? I guess ICE was trying to detain the Haitians over there, and the Haitians were not going for it. I think that people forget that we were the first ones to be freed. My people got a taste of slavery and said, we can't do this.
Okay, hold on. I don't know exactly how that goes, but big up my Jamaica people them and Sam Sharp or one of these. Who was the historic general that went over to Haiti and was part of the Haitian Revolution? Man, not take nothing from Haitians still. Big up all the Haitians then. Educate me. Comment section.
Wrap this up by tonight. We did. If there's anything that we know Haitian people are known for doing, is fight for what they believe in. And they done beat ICE the up and ran them out of the hood.
Look at them. The Haitian them are celebrating. And they deserve to celebrate, brethren.
Aren't ICE agents. If they were actually ICE agents, if they're just people with masks and just doing this shit because they can, then
We're actually fighting back against the
Sorry about that.
up and taken to a concentration camp, a detention center, fucking whatever you want to call it. We all know what it is. Not everybody's there yet, but it's fucked up.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm hoping that you're doing
All right, I put this guy in the in my video because I wanted to say shout out to this brother here from Africa. I don't know his name. I'll try to find it and put it in the description. But some of these videos that I do and redo are some from his channel. So shout out to him and a few other people that I watch. You know, the whole YouTube rights of this and that. I just want a good story and I'll put it together. And then I shout out to the people that I can remember. But I put him in the video because I like his videos and I watch his channel. I'll put his description in the link or his link in the description or something like that.
great. From wherever you're watching us from, as it
So ICE decided to go to Brooklyn earlier. And they decided, you know, to go into a random neighborhood and try to play snatchies with some Haitians. Well, all I gotta say is, that's what the I'm talking about. Props to my Haitians. They whooped ICE's ass. They took them down. They said, fuck, nah. You not doing this in my neighborhood. Get the fuck out of here. And that's what I'm talking about, guys. Us as Latinos, we need to stick together and we need to fight ICE. We need to fight.
Not gonna lie, since when was Haiti a Latin country?
Okay, this is some knowledge, something that I just learned recently. So please listen in about Latinos, the root word Latin, and etc. etc. Listen.
Not only is Haiti a Latin country, it's also the first Latino country, taking independence from the Europeans. In fact, because of Haiti, what we know as Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, y Ecuador, were able to also seek independence from a European country and form La Gran Colombia. Did you know that? What, you thought Haitians weren't Latinos because they're black? Puerto Ricans can be black, Dominicans can be black, Cubans can be black, Colombians are black, Brazil, Honduras. Country is also the first Latino country, taking independence from the Europeans. In fact, because of Haiti, what we know as Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, y Ecuador, were able to also seek independence from a European country and form La Gran Colombia. Did you know that? What, you thought Haitians weren't Latinos because they're black? Puerto Ricans can be black, Dominicans can be black, Cubans can be black, Colombians are black, Brazil, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Peru. Shit, black people invented tango in Argentina. Oh no, I was just saying.
It goes to show you, bro, it's a reason why we were the first African.
Yo, the knowledge. Huh? Let's get some knowledge, man. Rewind that, blood. Yo, rewind that.
ICE, we need to fight.
Not gonna lie, since when was Haiti a Latin country?
Let's go.
Not only is Haiti a Latin country, it's also the first Latino country, taking independence from the Europeans. In fact, because of Haiti, what we know as Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, y Ecuador, were able to also seek independence from a European country and form La Gran Colombia. Did you know that? What, you thought Haitians weren't Latinos because they're black? Puerto Ricans can be black, Dominicans can be black, Cubans can be black, Colombians are black, Brazil, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Peru. Shit, black people invented tango in Argentina. Oh no, I was just saying.
It goes to show you, bro, it's a reason why we were the first African nation to free ourselves from slavery, fam. It's a reason these people won't take up with your shit, fam. If they tired of it, they tired of it. That's it, fam. And for those of y'all wondering, damn, why don't y'all just go to your country if y'all just want to be violent and shit? Bro, if you don't understand the history that Haitians have with America, fam, most of us never really wanted to leave our country. We just were forced to do so because
You hear that?
America rid us of our resources, and then they forced us into poverty. So now that we come in here to this country because that's all the options we have, y'all want to force us back and rid us of more resources, fam? Nah, bro. Some people would rather go ahead and get themselves off rather than sit there and go back to that poverty. That's real poverty. Y'all don't understand what real poverty is until you have to sit there and not be able to take care of yourself, your kids, your family. None of it, bro. Nobody's going back to that shit willingly, fam. I don't blame them. I'll fight too. All that to say, man, y'all Mexicans need to learn how to put hands on them people, bro. Fight back, bro. Fight back. Get up.
How does it feel being deported?
Feels great, honestly. Before this, I took out a $220,000 loan and sent it to my family in Mexico. Catch me if you can.
Catch me. Yeah. Oh, because they speak French Creole? Oh, well, if we look at the requirements of what makes a Latino Latino, it's just being from a country in the Americas that speaks a Latin-based language. What are Latin-based languages? Spanish, French, Portuguese, Italian. French Creole has French. No, you don't have to just speak Spanish to be Latino. Brazilians speak Portuguese and they're Latino. Actually, they're the biggest country in Latin America. Você fala português? Ah, não, você tem que aprender a falar português. Haitians are also considered Latino because they speak French Creole. And that's a Latin-based language. That's also why the Haitian flag came with this set of banderas from Latin America. But I do have a lot of Haitian friends that don't really feel connected to that identity. And that's okay. Many people, like the person who commented this, exclude Haitians from the community, and so many Haitians don't really feel connected to us. And that's understandable. But I just want to say I grew up with many Haitians here in Broward County, Florida. Hey, 954. And there's also a lot of Haitians in Puerto Rico. And Haitians in Puerto Rico...
Shout out to Florida.
Ricans aren't even all that different. Zos and Boricuas, they're not that different at all. Just like how Puerto Ricans love our flag, so do Haitians. On Zoe Day, all the Haitians would bring their flag to school. And I already knew what was up because, you know, Puerto Ricans are the same way. But yeah, Haitians are Latino.
I wish I could show you guys some of the videos that I saw of the Haitian people fighting back, but all those videos seem to get removed immediately. They don't want us watching videos of people fighting back against ICE.
Yeah, this is crazy. Haitians are storming the plane. Yo. Crazy. Haitians fight back, and everybody can learn a lesson from the Haitians on how to stand up for your rights and help a brother out. FAFO, yo. Fuck around and find out. Crazy. That was at the airport.
It's a profit incentive.
All right. Now, this is more of a serious story, and it's kind of shifting away from the Haitian story, but I'll tell you like this. They have a profit system set up for incarceration throughout all of America. Pay attention.
To incarcerating people. There are some companies who are showing big profits who will tell you that things have never been better.
Pay attention, yo.
Global talent takes advantage of people who are so vulnerable. The father's in prison. It costs $17 to call dad for 15 minutes.
$17 to call dad for 15 minutes, yo. Global Telelink.
Horizon makes money off sick prisoners by denying care. It's as simple as that. The Geo Group is able to make amazing profits by not doing their job, by not keeping facilities clean, by going cheap. The bail bondsman industry is taking advantage of people in jail by charging unbelievable amounts of money to get out. Cops seize assets by merely suspecting someone of illegal behavior. And so your car, whatever possessions you have on your person, can be taken away. CCA is moving to make prison sentences longer and harsher and making laws easier to break.
Wow.
America has 2.2 million incarcerated people. It's a statistic that we should be ashamed of.
It's also free work, free labor, aka you're a slave once you're incarcerated. The number one goal in life is to stay out of jail and keep your daughter off the pole, bro. All right, back to the incarceration thing, moving into a Jamaican flex now. Because you have to be able to keep your control, you know. Some women will do you some things and make you lose control, you know. Chip out, make a chip out. Listen to this story.
But this is how I can say to you. You see, young girl, you have to be careful of some of them man. Some of them pretty tired. Because you see some man, even majority of Jamaica man, you can't left them. All you know say no left, you can't left. Jamaica the only set of man them, you can't left. You know hear what I say to you?
Jamaicans are the only set of men that you can't just get up and say you're leaving the relationship. So as a father, he's giving some advice to these young ladies. Listen, let's go.
You see some man, even majority of Jamaica man, you can't left them. All you know say no left, you can't left. Jamaica the only set of man them, you can't left. You know hear what I say to you? So you have to be careful who you are there with. And some of them very jealous. They will lick on a chip. Lord God, I don't think I joke. Me say, they will lick on a chip. So no careful. So somehow we are go out there and I give some of them money a bun.
Yo, the man's serious enough. The man is very, very serious. So him walk away from it.
Some of them pretty tired. Can you see some man, even majority of Jamaica man, you can't left them. All you know say no left, you can't left. Jamaica the only set of man them, you can't left. You know hear what I say to you? So you have to be careful who you are there with. And some of them very jealous. They will lick on a chip. Lord God, I don't think I joke. Me say, they will lick on a chip. So no careful. So somehow we are go out there and I give some of them money a bun. They're very jealous. Then we fly on our back, believe. You see it over and over and over again. So some of them young girl here, or some of them woman here, you don't know, put on yourself in some position with some of them man here. If him come from foreign, allegedly as they say, and the girl go pick him up from the airport and kill girl, that means they find out something or find out the girl probably have been some bun. Where you the wrong and you have to come down.
You heard it. Hey, I hear it for real. The Haitians ain't saying nothing. They're not taking nothing from ICE. And you hear it for yourself, say. Young man, young lady, be careful. One episode, Mr. Show. Big up on myself. Like and subscribe.